this video, I just wanted to show you the 3 different types of adhesive you see most often in your wood stove or fireplace. This first one is strictly a gasket cement. It's made just to put the gasket in a wood stove. As you can see, it's pretty runny, pretty liquidy, and they're again used just for the gasket. This is a furnace cement. It comes in either like a tub or like this is a toothpaste tube style. And it's a little more solid. Gotta push on that pretty good to get it out of there. But when it dries rock hard. And you use that a lot for either you put gasket in with it, but most often you see it to fix like cracks and seams in a wood stove. And this one in the bright red is a high temperature silicone. It's used strictly in a gas fireplace. Typically you'll see this used to literally glue the glass into the fireplace front. And it's kind of somewhere in between as far as consistency goes, but when it dries, you can see it's still really flexible, unlike the cement, which is rock hard. And same with this cement here. But if you have any questions, give us a call.